What it do? It's been a while. Yeah, it's been a while, but I'm doing some car work today. It's pretty warm. It's a beautiful spring day. Ed's house, he's doing his oil maintenance. I am installing a Hasport rear motor mount today. Shouldn't be too hard, just a few bolts. Then you just gotta torque it down to spec. But I heard these things, it's kind of tough to get in. So you probably maybe need some grease, lube it up inside. This is the one from last time when I put in the hybrid race and shifter. But I already got the car on jacks. About to crawl under. And yeah, hopefully this shouldn't take too long, but per usual backyard mechanic, there's always gonna be stuff going on, running into problems, but let's get into it. Okay. So I have my tool set here. Here's the oil pan. Here is the rear, here's the rear motor mount. So it's literally this bolt. You can focus, yep, this bolt and the other side, and then this main one. It should be a 19. Have a breaker bar over there, break it off. I've seen some videos and forums where they might need to take this bracket off because it's sometimes hard to like wiggle it back into this space. But I'm gonna have a jack hold it up here to support the engine up, but it should be easy. Take it off, take it out, but putting it back in is probably gonna be a little bit tougher, but it's a 19 for sure. So I'm gonna jack it up, hold the engine by the oil pan. I should probably have like a wooden piece or something to hold it up, and then we'll take this off. There you go. So you should just have enough to support the oil pan. Probably do a little bit more because it's not gonna be like perfect. See, there's like a little gap right there, but it's on there. I also think it's because the surface is not flat, but it should be good because you don't want to push it up too high up when you take the rear motor mount out. But here's this. Get the breaker bar and get it rolling. I lied, it was an 18. But yeah, broke it off with the breaker bar, super easy. Now I'm just gonna take these bolts out. Literally, like I said, these 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3. And you can wiggle the motor mount out from my research, and then everything should be easy going back in. You may need a little grease to put it back, but yeah, simple install, hopefully. Knock on wood. Let me put it all down and I'll be right back. Got the 2 screws out. This one's the big boy screw that goes in the middle here. But yeah, guys, you should wear gloves when you do work, unlike myself. But pretty sure you can just wiggle this out.
One eternity later.
OEM mount, aftermarket mount. As you can see, this one's a little bigger. This one's the 70A one, so apparently it's going to be a little tighter, more vibration. I believe you put it up like this way, so don't go the other way. I don't know, but yeah, just follow this. Oh yeah, you see that? So it should be this way, going upwards. But yeah, let's put her in. So yeah, boys and girls, you gotta take this bracket out. There's no way you can squeeze this back in. Even though I lubed it, you can't squeeze it back in. So, brothers, you can take it out. These 4 bolts for that bracket. Then you can squeeze it back in. So it should be like this when you put it back in. Alrighty, there you go. Everything's in. I didn't tighten everything yet, but put all the screws back. fan. The target spec, I forgot how much, but should be about 65 foot-pounds, but let me go double check on the interwebs, and I will let y'all know. Or if I don't tell you in this video, I will leave it in the description.
Eventually.
Yo, so yeah, obviously it's a new day, but I installed the motor mount at Vina Auto Body. The only reason I brought it to them is my boy's shop. He helped me out. Shout out to Ed, and who uses AAA to tow it to Eddie's shop, who works at Vina. So essentially, when you put the motor mount in, it's supposed to screw in smoothly, but there was tension when I was screwing it, so it was cross-threading, and eventually when I pulled it out and put it in so many times, the thread got destroyed. So I had Vina rethread the thread, and then I guess they just put it on, because I was watching other videos. They said it's supposed to go in smoothly, and in other videos I see people are just sending it, forcing it in, which I should have done, so I didn't have to tow it to Vina, but it is what it is. But let me show y'all a startup. Alright, so here I have some water. Let's start up the car. So I have the 70A Hasport motor mount, rear motor mount. So the point of having this motor mount is to have a stiffer feel for the engine, so the downpipe won't crack. Because I have a aftermarket skunk 2 downpipe right now. So with the new Hasport mount, you definitely feel more vibration. You can hear it, you can feel it as you drive, especially going from first and second. But in second gear, the grinding goes away, as long as you're shifting correctly and smoothly. But that's basically the pros and cons of it. But the vibrating, it's not terrible, you get used to it. It's honestly not too bad, but let me start it up and I'll show you how bad the vibration is. Ready, starting her up. Actually, I'll point at the water. So, see, it's not that bad. The water, as you can see, the car is pretty warm already. I was just driving it earlier, but it's not bad at all. I mean, I'll drive for a little bit and show y'all what I mean. But yeah, man. It doesn't jerk as much in first gear, and with the stock mount, it jerks a lot. But other than that, it's pretty good. See, the jerk is not too bad. But let me come to a complete stop. The water's not too bad either. But yeah, bro, I would definitely get the 70A if you're going full bolt-ons. I think it's the perfect stiffness for the engine. But other than that, thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys learn not to make the same mistakes as I do. Just be careful when you take off the stock motor mount and dropping the engine down and putting back the aftermarket one so it matches up with the holes. And it's up to you guys if you want, but you could just force it in for the aftermarket one, or you could do what I did, have someone else do it just because you messed up the threads. But try not to mess with threads, that's the point of this video. But thank you for watching. See y'all in the next one. Peace.